Hi, in this lesson we are going to look at a simple program where we are going to print first 10 Fibonacci numbers. Okay, what is the Fibonacci series? If you see here, in mathematics, Fibonacci numbers are the numbers in the following integer sequence. So this is the sequence. Recently we are using a different sequence. Both are same except one number. Okay, so in this sequence, first two numbers are fixed. Either it is 1, 1 or 0, 1. After that, every number is nothing but the sum of preceding two numbers. Here, the third number is sum of first two numbers, that is 0, 1, so 1. So after that, fourth number is sum of its previous two numbers, that is 1 plus 1, 2. Next one is 1 plus 2, 3. Next one, 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. That is how it goes on. So basically the number is sum of previous two numbers. Okay, so here I am taking the first two numbers, that is 0, 1. Also I am printing them. I don't need to calculate them because in this program I want to print 10 numbers. First 10 numbers, I just need to print next 8 numbers because first two numbers are 0 and 1. Okay, so I need to iterate this particular statement 8 times only, not 10 times. Okay, so I am starting from 1 and I am ending it with 8. So this loop will execute for 8 times. Each time I am printing the next number. Next number is nothing but I plus j, that is sum of previous two numbers. Okay, so what happens is with the first iteration we will see 0 plus 1, 1 printed. So for the next iteration, before the next iteration starts, what I have to do is I have to set the j to the sum of previous two numbers. So I plus j. But before that I need to save the value of j in I. So that is what we have to do. So for example, here we added 0 plus 1, 1. So before I go to next iteration, in j I have to save previous two values, 0 plus 1. And in I have to save the previous j value. This is the expression that is switching those two numbers. If you see the swap program, we are using the same logic, but there we are simply swapping two numbers. But here we are saving the value of j in I and we are saving the j to I plus j. Okay, so you can look at this expression, you can make some changes and try to understand this. This is a simple expression. You should not take much time to understand this. And we are printing I plus j with every iteration. So I plus j is nothing but the next Fibonacci number. So that is all about this Fibonacci series. So if you want to increase, you can increase this number and you can see for what are the next numbers. But as it is following simple formula, that is the current Fibonacci number is sum of previous two Fibonacci numbers. This is very simple program. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share it with others.